Here's 5 things you can do with a Apple Watch Series 3. The first thing you can do is customize the watch face. You do that by opening up the watch face and holding down. Then you can either change the color by spinning the crown, selecting what you want to change, and changing it to whatever you want. And then when you do that, it's on the watch face. The next thing you can do is change the watch face just by swiping this way or holding down and scrolling, and then just hit the crown to go back. And the next thing you can do is you can close the apps by hitting the power button on the side. So if you press that, it opens up all the apps, and you can just swipe, hit the X, swipe, hit the X. The next is you can turn off the screen by putting your hand over it. Off, on, off. So it's that simple, just on, off. And the last thing you can do is you can take the bands off by holding down the silver button here, or at least mine's silver. Hold that down and pull the band out, and then put it back in just by sliding it. That's all.